Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. My name is the Great Tete, and for today's video I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tutorial on how I do my hot oil treatment for my natural 4C hair, so stay tuned for that. For my hot oil treatment, I'll be using Jamaica castor oil, coconut oil, and virgin olive oil. So I'm now adding the coconut oil to my applicator bottle. I bought my applicator bottle from my local beauty supply store. I believe I paid about $4.99 or $5.99, somewhere around there. It wasn't crazy expensive. And now I'm just gonna add some of my Jamaican black castor oil to the applicator bottle. And it doesn't really matter how much you use, it just depends on the length of your hair. Just make sure you add enough to go in your hair that is going to be enough for your hair. So for me, I don't really have very long hair, so I didn't really need too much oil. So now I'm just adding a little bit more of my castor oil, and then I'm just gonna shake it all together. But just keep in mind, for the coconut oil, it's a little bit clumpy in the bottle. So what I did, I boiled some water and I put it in a little cup, and I put the applicator bottle in the cup and I let it sit for about 5 minutes so that the oil can do its thing. And you don't want to boil the oil because you want to ensure that all the goods are in the oil, right? Because that's the whole purpose of doing the hot oil treatment. So now this is what my hair looks like, you guys. My hair, it's dirty. I just took my cornrows out and I have a lot of chemicals and gel and all that stuff in my hair. So don't judge me, okay? If you see some stuff in my hair, it's just gel, okay? Relax. So what I'm doing, I did add a little water and detangle my hair with the water in my hair, because it's just better to detangle your hair with water. And then I'm adding the oil to my hair and adding it to my scalp as well, you guys. So what I did, I just kind of like part my hair in very, very small sections, and I detangle it, and then I add the oil, comb through, and then I put a little twist after doing all of that. And I'll be doing that to pretty much my entire head. So just stay tuned, just watch the entire video and you'll see exactly what I'm doing. You'll see the outcome of what my hair is gonna be looking like after. And just so you guys know, this is something that I normally do at least once a month, and this is good for your hair in terms of for hair growth. It strengthens your hair, and you know, it's just really good for your hair overall. It strips your hair of all the chemicals and all that, you know, all that stuff that you tend to put into your hair on a daily basis. So it's good to do a hot oil treatment at least once a month on your wash day, or you can do it a day before your wash day. Okay, and just so you guys know, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, feel free to subscribe, feel free to join the family. It is free. Just hit the subscribe button and like this video if you know, if this is a video that you actually like. And also leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know of if there's any other types of treatments that you guys do for your natural 4C hair, and let me know if this video was useful for you. Let me know if you will be trying out this hot oil treatment. And you guys, you don't necessarily have to use these exact oil. Avocado oil, it's very good for your hair as well. So they're like, trust me, you guys, there are a lot of natural oils that you can use in your hair, but this is what I had at home, so this is what I use for this video. So now that I'm done adding the oil to my entire hair, I'm just adding the oils to my scalp. I'm just massaging the oil to my scalp. And that's the good thing about the applicator bottle, that it has the spout. So it's just so easy to just go through my little twists, and it just goes directly to the scalp. So that's the reason why I actually got this bottle specifically. So what I'm doing here is just ensuring that the oils are massaged directly to my scalp, and then I just use my hands, my fingers, to massage the oil to my scalp. I just want to ensure that I use almost all the oil. So you guys, after doing all this, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a shower cap or a plastic cap, or I don't know what you guys call it. I'm just gonna put it over my head, and I'm gonna let it sit for at least 30 to 45 minutes. And then after that, after I let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes, I am gonna do my shampoo, my regular shampoo and conditioner, and just my regular wash day routine, you guys. So I'm just gonna give you guys a sneak peek of what my hair looks like after letting it sit for 30 minutes. And trust me, you guys, you can really see the difference, and you can see how shiny my hair is. Look at that. So that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Stay blessed, keep motivated. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.